Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm making this video upon my village. Like it's a very small jungle of my village. I've been wake up early in the morning so I can get the best view of it. So guys, I'm very excited about this video. I know who are nature lover sure will like this video, who love traveling and all. Guys, see how it is beautiful. See the scenery are also very peace, shows like very peace in my mind, very relaxing. So please guys, I have wake up early in the morning to make this video for you. I request you guys to please share, subscribe and like my video so I get more motivated to make new videos, and sure I will make part 2 of this video if I get a good response upon this video. So see guys how it is beautiful. See the part of this jungle, we have to walk this small path to get down to that bottom. See the leaves are also very beautiful. See how it is beautiful now. Comment guys how you like this small jungle of my village or not. See how it is. See the mountains. It's like little cloudy today, but the sun is also on. See guys, the mountains. See how it is very beautiful now. We are going down to that bottom of the jungle. In the end we will see guys, in the end. See, you have seen like banana, how to say, see the banana and that the stem of it. Okay guys, see where I've been walking this road downside. It's look like we'll fall down to that jungle, but don't worry guys, we have born in this place, so we know every part and we can walk easily down outside. See guys, very beautiful now. No guys, we are about to reach the bottom. Now we have reached here. See, like it's a small, how to say, not like river also, but it's a small waterfall. See the view, see the waterfall. See the water, see the tree, crystal. See guys. So guys, do you love this this small river or not? Like small waterfall. You guys see the jungle is not very big or very vast, but see there are many trees. Yes guys, see the bees up on the flower and see the beauty of the nature. See, very good and cool, na? Must say very beautiful. Okay guys, so we are end of my video. See the last scenery. See guys, this is due to landslide. Okay, landslide had disaster of village. You guys see the sun is shining now. Okay, now we are up toward our house. We have to go up walking through this small path. Okay guys, lastly I just want to mention, please guys, subscribe my channel and like my video so that I could make more videos. Okay, thank you very much guys. Have a nice and lovely day. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye guys.